how to show or hide players' names in the match in FC25. So, first things first, you can do this from actual gameplay, but the easiest way, and I found it saves better like this, is from the main home page. Come up to the top left hand corner and select this little cog. This will take you to the settings. Then you want the main settings here. Now we want game settings. Then you want to come to visual with your left or right bumper, and you'll see here the HUD, and you'll be able to select player's name bar here or just indicator, and then choose what you want underneath, or you can have player's name and the indicator. It's entirely up to you what you want and how you want to show it, but that's how to show or hide the player's name in match in FC25.